How to join Velocity Discord server on a mobile. First, you have to simply open up the Instagram and here search my Instagram profile. I have mentioned all the famous official Discord server invite names. Here at the top you notice that I have mentioned a post regarding Velocity Discord server, and also you notice that I have mentioned its invite name. You have to simply first copy this. Then you have to simply open up the Discord. Then tap on plus. Now tap on join a server. Here you can simply paste the invite name as I already mentioned on Instagram post. Then you have to simply tap on join with invite link. So as you notice that I have successfully accessed the Velocity official Discord server invite page. Here you can simply tap on accept invite. So as you notice that I have successfully joined the Velocity Discord server on a mobile by using this method. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.